Alrighty, for nursing school students or any nurses who are planning to work neuro, let's go over the 12 cranial nerves. Here is a little mnemonic to help you remember. O, to touch and feel, very good, velvet, almost heaven. You can replace velvet with another V word if that helps you remember. Now let's go over the 12 cranial nerves, their names, and what the heck they do. So we've got olfactory, smell, optic, vision, ocular, motor, eye movement, trochlear, eye movement, trigeminal, facial sensation and chewing, abducens, eye movement, facial movement, and actually taste, vestibulocochlear, hearing and balance, glossopharyngeal, this is any throat sensations, also taste and swallowing. We have vagus, movement sensation, also abdominal organs, accessory, neck movement, hypoglossal, tongue movement.